This is a normal treadmill. Big, bulky, hard to move around. I love this one, but it just a little tough when you compare it to this treadmill. That's right, my friends. Today we are reviewing this treadmill. Look how small this is compared to this big, gigantic one. With this, I can lift it up with one hand. It's well built. I've been working on this for the last 2 days or so. What's also nice about this treadmill is you can use shoes or bare feet. If you use bare feet, some people, it hurts their feet. Some people, they're fine with it. Okay, so one thing you want to do is before you use this, you want to oil the track. So you don't put it on here. So this does no use, you do it underneath. So I will bend it like this, and I don't know if you can see, but you can see it on here. And I will put a line like this going across. This line will then trickle down, kind of let it go lower because you can watch it drop lower. And then what you can do is you just apply pressure. Fun fact, olive oil also works. It's a little secret that a lot of people don't like telling you, but olive oil can definitely work. Now, once you've done that, go ahead and remove the film off top here. If you are doing this outside, it might be a little hard to read just with the lights. So inside it is much easier to see and read. Now, it's blinking, that's just the camera. It's actually not blinking in person. Sometimes when you film LED lights, it blinks, but this is what you can see. Speed, incline. So don't worry about that. It's not blinking in person. So remote, simple to use. You can turn the beep sound off as well if you want. But incline can go all the way, wow, up to 12. So you can have up to 12. So what does up to 12 incline look like? It looks just like this. By the way, that's actually very impressive. I didn't think it would go that high. So let's see. Yeah, it's very stable. Again, super impressive. We're gonna drop the incline back down, and then we're gonna see the actual speed we can go. Again, I can easily see it in person. All right, let's up the speed now. 3, so it could go up to 4 miles an hour, which I can tell you right now, 4 miles an hour is plenty. That is plenty of speed for a great workout. I've been testing it, seeing how well it works, and I've been very impressed with it. What I love about this, not only can I take this pretty much anywhere I want to go, indoors, outdoors, on vacation. It's so small, but yet, even for a guy 5'9", 210 pounds, it still works great. So if you want this under your desk, no problem. If you want this beside your desk, no problem. If you want this in your office, in your bedroom, in your basement, outside, you want to be able to take it outside, no problem. And you can see how something like this, a traditional treadmill, even when it's folded, look how bulky it is. But this, you can put this on its side and it doesn't take much room. You can put it upright and it doesn't take much room. Like, look at this. Look how thin this is. So even if you want it upright, it doesn't take much room. It has wheels on it as well for easy pushing around. Guys, I don't know what else to say. And it even comes with its own controller. Like, so yeah, let's just get into demonstrating this unit. Four miles an hour is really perfect